Welcome back. Today we have a value pack hanger of Donruss Optic. Let's see what we can get. First card, Cam Miller. Nice. Tyler Warren for the Colts. That looks like a hollow on top of it. Maybe this one is. That one's not, but the Tyler Warren is a hollow. Very nice. Kyler Murray, Ed Reed, Terry Bradshaw, Pacquiao, Dan Jr., Anthony Richardson, Deebo Samuel, Buda Baker, David, however you want to say his last name, and Josh Downs. Not a bad pack. Get a Tyler Warren rated hollow. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Help us grow it. And the more we grow it, the better the product we can afford to get. Appreciate it.